According to the current study, common ancestor for the cat is North African or Southern West Asian white cat, which is very Silvestris librica. Not only that, by studying cat DNA from all over the world, the research found that cat domestication began in ancient Egypt during classical period, which is 2040 BCE before Common Era. Scientists also conclude that the cat has spread all over the world but through sheep. This is because the Malaysians use cat to protect their goods and food storage on board to killing rodents. Felis cat is the scientific name for the domestic cat, while Felis silvestris is the scientific name for the wild cat. Then, why cat is an invasive species? This is because cat can spread disease. Cat can spread disease to the human, and cat has over 63 species to the extinct from all over the world.
So we move on to the cat behavior. How they behave. Okay. The first one is as mostly cats are playful and social animals. Okay. For indoor cats, they love to play with humans and cat toys, and even for they also like to play with other animals, because some people also pet them with dogs. Okay. So for the outdoor cat, they are less sociable with people and other animals. Just some cat that are fond with human interaction will be okay with human, but most of outdoor cats didn't like to social with humans. And the second one, they are a good sleeper. They sleep for almost many hours each day. Their favorite hobby is totally sleep. The second one, cats love to hunt. It is part of their survival instinct. They always bring people dead or injured animals. Sometimes they did not eat the injured animal or dead animals like birds. They just do it for fun and for hunting, just hunting without a real purpose like eating or not. This is just for play. And when they bring the dead cats to you, actually they are trying to make you learn how to be a good hunter. It's like they are showing how are you supposed to do when you hunting. So because when we make them as a pet and they love us, we are a part of their pride. So those gifts are their way of teach us, the humans, how to kill animals as they do. Lastly, cats are inherently necrophilic. What is the meaning of necrophilic? Necrophilic means they like to try new and different foods and enjoy variety. They have high curiosity traits. If cats are fed by the same food every day, repeatedly, they may try to find variety through hunting. So they will try to find a cockroach or birds or rats. Next, we are going to talk about the negative impact of cats. Why are they become invasive? Okay, so the first point is cats are one of the main factor to the extinction of many animals. Okay, so cats are adorable. They are so cute and they are so playful and friendly, but they are also killing billions of birds and causing wildlife extinction. Estimated that according to American Veterinary Medical Association, there are about 16 million pet cats in the United States, and there are also 30 to 80 millions of unowned cats like stray cats. So this shows about how massive is the overpopulated cats of stray cats. it can reach about 80 millions of stray cats. According to a conservation biologist named Peter Mara and the director of Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center in Washington, cats kill somewhere between 1 to 4 billion birds each year in the United States and have caused a minimum of 33 extinction. That's just in the United States. How about all around the world? You can just think how much the destruction or the extinction that caused by cats is immeasurable. Okay, birds, while birds have a very important role in ecosystem, as you might know, birds are absolutely critical to the health of functional ecosystem. Birds serve as pollinators, insect control, fertilizers, and seed distributors, and that is among many other important functions. So, with the cat that threaten the extinction of these birds, so it can be a dangerous causes to ecosystem. Next, the next point is cats also bring deadly disease, which is known as Sporotriclosis, and the fungus name is Sporotriclosis, and it has been spreading over time. It is a fungus that is increasingly causing disease in cats and people. This Sporotriclosis can spread directly from an infected animals to a person or to another animals and make them sick with sporotrichosis caused by this fungus from the bite or scratch of an infected cat. So when the cat scratch you, you can be infected by this Sporotriclosis. Cats with sporotrichosis often have lesions on their faces, often around the nose. It is majority can be found on stray cats, where we can see all their face full of bleeding, full on the lesions. So those lesions develop from wounds and that occur during their fight with an infected cat. Cats licking infected wound on the other part of their bodies can also transfer this fungi to their faces and their mouths. Then we human pet the stray cats, and also we can get the pathogen and fungi to us. So sporotrichosis infection are often difficult to track with antifungal medication. The main treatment is itraconazole, given by mouth at 8.3 to 27.7 milligram per day every 24 hours until signs and symptoms disappear. However, treatments for this fungi takes many months, and the infection often fail to respond to the treatment, and side effects are common. So this sporotrichosis infection is so hard to be treated. Okay, and can sporotrichosis cause death? Yes, it can cause death. Lesion begin as a small draining wounds that eventually form a nodules, then also leaving a large area of exposed raw tissue. The bacteria can spread throughout the body and cause more severe disease and also death. It will also leave big scars at the infected place.
If you're a cat lover, and here's some solution for you to avoid your cat from being in invasive species. Okay, first, if possible, make your cat as indoor cat, which is you have to leave your cat in the house, and of course you can let your cat roaming outside your house with supervised. This is indoor cat are required because we don't want cat to hunting bird. Okay, next is, if you really don't want to make your cat as indoor cat or leave your cat in the house, you can simply put a bird collar to let your cat in, so bird will alert when your cat is around. Okay, next is you can also put an inground electric fence to avoid your cat from going to the neighbor house, so it will not make a chaos there. And of course, the electric fence will not bring fatal harm to your cat. Okay, next is I really encourage for the cat lover club to take action in controlling stray cat population by make a campaign for neuter and spay stray cat. With this, we can avoid the overpopulation of the stray cat that could bring disease to the others. Okay, next is, and I also encourage government to increase animal shelter in every state, so that public can send stray cat that they found for the better treatment. Not only that, public can also adopt stray cat when it's healthy.